Okay, so hi dear Aries, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is the 7 days, 7 Oshos and tarot messages for all the Aries Sun Moon Venus Rising from 7 till the 13th of April. Okay, now I'm going to take one card for each day. You guys know the style. Now, if you want to be a reader like me, want to have person reading or healing sessions, you can check out the description box. You'll find the links below for the best healing modality of the whole universe. Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. And if you want to start your self-love journey with my 30 days self-love challenge course, the link is given below. So let's start. Aries, let's see what we have for you guys from 7 till the 13th of April. On the 7th of April, we have the morality. For okay, something is going to happen that is going to give you this energy of standing your moral grounds, and people to around you, or some kind of circumstances or some kind of issues might pop up, which is kind of going to force you to do something that you might not do otherwise. It's like standing for your moral grounds or something, but don't be too harsh on yourself and try to understand different people, different views. Okay, don't try to force your things on others. 8th of April, we have the postponement. Okay, something is going to get delayed, but this postponement is actually happening so that you can ponder over the important things, so that you can understand what is good, what is not so good, or what is important for you in your life. So this postponement, this delay is actually happening for your highest good, so that you can understand few things that you might be trying to rush in your life. 9th, we have the completion. So there is a completion of a cycle. Something is about to be completed, or you will be able to find the missing piece of the puzzle. Do not give up on something that you are working on, maybe from quite a long time now, but you're kind of giving hope on something. Don't do that. Okay, please don't do that, because there's some kind of completion of a cycle here. The moment you are going to find that piece, there will be a completion. Okay, so you are about to find that piece. Actually, don't give up. 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, we have the schizophrenia. Okay, you are in this energy of letting go of something or someone out of your life, out of your system. Maybe a lot of people, maybe a lot of situations. So you might be in this energy of what you should do first. Should you let go of this situation first, or let go of that situation first, or what you should do? So in this case, the universe is kind of guiding you to let go of everything at once and start fresh. The universe got your back. Trust the process, trust the universe. The universe got your back. Whatever you have to get rid of, just do that. Okay, that's what I'm getting here. Don't be like, okay, I'm going to get rid of one person today, one situation today, and then maybe I'm going to take a break of 1 year, and then I'm going to do the next thing. Don't do that. I'm sorry, I'm having a little allergy these days, on my lips as well, otherwise on my body as well. There's a lot of dust and everything here at this place. Anyways, we have 7, 8, 9, 10. 11th, we have the sorrow. Now, in order to achieve something in your life, you don't have to isolate yourself from the whole world. In this particular card, this monk is trying to achieve some kind of enlightenment or spiritual growth. So he might be thinking that by him isolating himself from the happiness, the belongingness of other humans and other things in their life, they will be able to achieve something good. It's not like that. This sorrow is self inculcated, self created. So you can definitely come out of this sorrow, go out of your pain, and enjoy your life to the fullest and still achieve your goals. That's the message here for this day. Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12th, we have the fighting. This week is quite intense for you, where you are going to be in this energy of letting go of a lot of people, things, and situations. You are going to feel delays are happening, postponements are happening, issues are happening. See, on this particular day, you might end up fighting with other people, because you are frustrated with your own energies, with your own things that are not happening the way you want them to happen. It's completely fine, but instead of fighting, instead of creating scene here, try to understand your internal energies and try to understand why you are feeling the way you are feeling, what's the root cause of that problem, and what you can do to resolve the problem, instead of fighting with others and what we call that, mm, ruining everyone's energies around you. And if you feel like somebody is irritating you, or somebody is giving you pain in the ass for like without any reason, try to make them understand with love, with cool head. And if they are not able to understand, leave the situation, instead of creating a scene, instead of trying to fight and creating something that is not so positive for you. Maybe it will create some kind of issues afterwards. Now the master himself is coming in your energies on the 13th of April, which means you are ready to find a guru or mentor or a spiritual person or somebody who can take you, who can make you go to the next level of your journey wherever you are on your spiritual path. Even if you are just starting and or you are trying to go to the next level, you have to find somebody who, you have to find a guru or a mentor or someone who can help you to go to the next level. That's the deal here. Yeah, that's what I'm getting here for you guys for this week. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.